back to my channel. It's your girl Nova. If you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova Gang. As y'all can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be part 2 of the EntreprenHer series, and I'm doing some more unboxing. Yeah, told y'all it was happening. So I'm trying to stay consistent with my uploads, so this is going to get posted. Today is Monday, it will get posted today. And happy February. You guys, we're in February. January was very productive, I will say that, okay? January was very productive. Now it's time to make February productive. So as of now, I have, let me look at my countdown. I have 1 month, 19 days, and 7 hours until my launch. So yeah, your girl's been getting things together. I am gonna show y'all my setup that I have for my inventory. I had to go to Walmart today and they had some containers on sale. So you know what your girl did, grabbed some containers. So I actually got one. I had one in my closet already from my last business. So I went ahead and brought that out to my work area. I got, you know, I had stocked up. Okay, pretty much I just stocked up. So now everything is nice and neat. It's not in my Amazon boxes. I just thought that looked really like, it just started to get overwhelming. So yeah, I started putting everything up. I knew I had to go back probably tomorrow to get another storage container. Just so I don't get, you know, I have enough room to work around my area and whatnot. I moved my lip gloss machine. I have it literally staring me in my face right now. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. If you wanna see my face, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to, you know, stay connected with me, or you have any comments, questions, put them down in the comments down below. Or follow me on my social media. Like, what are you doing? Oh, and don't forget to follow the business page. I will be having and currently doing brand ambassador applications. So if you want to become a brand ambassador for my business, go ahead and go to the business page. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. So like I said, I got more stuff from Amazon. And I have 4 boxes today. I am gonna be having more stuff come in, but for now, we're just going to go through what I have. So I got basic things this time. I didn't get nothing too much, but yeah. I did get spoons. I didn't feel like going to the store. When I did my shopping, I was gonna go to the store, but I was a little lazy because, and then COVID, like I don't really wanna go out too much if I don't have to. So I got some spoons. I know I could have went to the store and got them, but yeah. And I got some turmeric powder. This is 1 pound of turmeric, okay? So yeah, I'm so excited to show y'all what I'm gonna do with the turmeric powder. I have many things I have to use for this. So that's why I got 1 pound. I know I'm gonna be getting more to my next round of things. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's go into the next box. All right, I got some honey. And this is organic, raw, unfiltered honey. So yes, I did get this out because I just wanted to see. They'll have like how many ounces it is online, but I don't really trust that. So I'm gonna get some more of this. I gotta add it to my Amazon list so I can purchase some more. This inventory is not as much, honestly. Like I said, I do have more stuff coming in, but it's gonna take a little while. So I'll definitely have to get some more. See, I was just at Walmart and I know something was telling me, get more coffee, get more coffee. So I have some coffee right here for my lip scrubs that I'm gonna be making and my body scrubs that I'm gonna be making. It smells very good though. So yes, I definitely have to get more. And then I have my coconut oil. So I did tell y'all I was gonna get some more pumps. If you do follow my Instagram, you see what I'm using these for. So if you want a sneak peek of what this is gonna be used for, go to my business Instagram, okay? My business Instagram has exactly what I use this product for. And for the people that did not watch the first EntreprenHer series video, these are what they look like, cute. But yeah, we already know exactly what this is. So on to the next. So I have my roses. So these are the type of roses that I use. But for some reason, this doesn't look like they filled the bag like how they usually do. But it's all good. So I gotta get some more anyway. And these are the ones I always get, like, okay. Ooh, this is a big bag. See, this is what I'm talking about. So I have my organic brown sugar. And it's gonna be used in my scrubs too. So stay tuned. I might make some videos. Like I said, it really just depends. I might make videos on how I make certain products, so you all know. But I don't know. I'll see. I'll see how, you know, the subscribers go up and whatnot. I'll see. Where's my? Oh, there it goes. So I did get some bowls. Cause like I said, when I was shopping online, I was shopping like how I was shopping in the store. So I did get bowls. So when I make my lip glosses or I would make like my body butters, I could just put them in here. I've been trying to use a styrofoam. I just feel like that gets a little, it just gets not messy, but it's still, like, I don't want it to be trying to like buy styrofoam all the time and I'm having to always throw it away. So I got these, so all I have to do is just wash them like at the end and use them again. So I got 9 of these and they're different colors like y'all seen. But yeah, I just wanted to have that on hand. I'd rather go through spoons than freaking bowls. So what is this? Ooh, yes sir. I do, like I said, I do have some more stuff. I know I have my labels coming in the mail. Well, those won't be here until next week, which I'm kind of upset about because I want to start labeling some of my stuff. But it's all good. All right, so I have my eucalyptus oil that's going to be used for a few of my products. So yeah, it came in a little box like this. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's whatever. I did get some more mango butter like I told y'all. I used up majority of the mango butter already because I'm gonna start doing sample sizes of my products to give to people and, you know, AE or sale. So I can start getting people, you know, hyped up for what's to come. Ooh, even though I just bought some already. I have my sunflower oil. So yeah, I already got some sunflower oil, but I just, you know, I got some today, but then I was just like, it doesn't hurt to get more. Sunflower oil is very beneficial, especially for the skincare products that I am going to be providing. So yeah. So I have my syringes. So when I make my lip glosses, I'm probably gonna make my lip glosses today. And other than trying to use my machine, my lip gloss machine, I realized that I'm probably just gonna use that for like my oils, like my face oils, or my my facial products. So I was gonna use my lip gloss machine for that, but I realized I'd rather use it for the oils and then use my syringes for my lip glosses. Since I'm not really catering my business around lip gloss too much this time around, I just wanted to, you know, be more realistic. Now, if my business was solely catered to lip gloss how I used to be, then I'll use my lip gloss machine and I'll use my face oils. So it's literally switching, because when I did my face oils and all my facial products last year, I used syringes. So now I'm switching it and I'm gonna be using my machine for that and my lip gloss with this. Oh, I did get an ink cartridge for my my printer. I had ran out of colored ink, so I had to make sure I had got more. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my setup. I'm gonna show y'all the type of printer that I use so y'all can see. So go ahead and show y'all. Alrighty, so these are what the storage bins look like. In each one I have different products. So yeah, some of my products are already made. I have my cleaning supplies. Then I have, you know, my body butters. I have some of my lip gloss products in here. I have my brown sugar, well, some more sugar as well. I have all of my packaging, so like these, I have these. Oh, y'all can't see my toes. No, y'all can't see my toes. Cute. So I have my my wands, my mascara wands for my, what is it called? My, what is it? My, I'm really gonna have to edit this because I literally forgot. my brow and lash growth oil. So yeah, it took me a long time. I do have my shrink wrap down here as well. I have my lip gloss tubes. And then down here, I have a container for my crystals. Right here, I have, what is it called? Oh, I have what I'm gonna be using my body scrubs with. I have my soap molds right here. I have my lavender where I'm gonna have to put my turmeric and stuff in here as well, and my roses, and then I have my blow dryer because when you use a shrink wrap, you have to like seal it with a blow dryer. So yeah, and let me bring y'all up. Ooh. All right, so what I have over here in this corner, let me go ahead and turn this so y'all can see a little better. So I have my purse, but I have my binder. This is for all my business essentials. So when I'm talking to my team or I'm having meetings, I always make sure I have a binder for my business so I can write down everything, anything as far as invoices, receipts. It goes in this right here. Under it, I have business cards. I will be showing you all how I make business cards. I'm probably gonna do a video on that today and have that posted for Wednesday. Just depends. But yes, I'll give y'all a tutorial on that. So these are my business cards. Then I have my printer information. And then I have, let's see. And then I have paper and I have stickers. So I have these round stickers that I bought last year. So like when I send off my packages for my business and I can make my own stickers, then I can't really see it too much. So this is what it looks like. So it's just like regular stickers and stuff. So I'll be able to, you know, put my logo in everything and send it off like this, put it up the inside, or just give people stickers. And then I have my photo paper. So yeah, this is gonna be used for like my thank you cards. Pretty much, yeah, my thank you cards. So all I do is just print them out on all, like it'll probably be like 6 in this, or like 4 on this paper, and then I cut them out, and then that's how I do it. So photo paper is definitely your go-to if you want to, you know, just save money on having to have somebody make your own business cards for you, or you just thank you cards, anything in general. Like it really just saves you money if you do it yourself at home. And then you don't have to worry about taking too long for shipment. Like the only reason why I did my labels at on Avery is because they do them a certain way that I know I can't do them at the house. So yeah, the printer I have, this I actually spent, this was only like $40. This is an Inkjet Printer, and it's the HP, and it's DeskJet 2655. So I got this off Groupon. You can scan regular printer, you know, like this, 𝘅ᴏ𴟑. And then you all know exactly what this is. This is my lip gloss machine, which I'm not gonna be using for lip gloss, I'm gonna use for my oils. But yeah, this is my machine. I put it over here so I can be able to consolidate space. So yeah, that's pretty much like what I have as far as that. I don't know. I don't know what else I'm gonna do in this video. I'm not really making that much inventory today. I know I do have to go ahead and make my business cards. So yeah, that's what I have. If I do put anything else in this video, which I probably won't, this is probably gonna be a very short video because I don't really think I have anything else to talk about in this particular video. This was just pretty much just unboxing certain products that I know I had to do, and then yeah. So if you want to stay tuned within this series, like I said, make sure that you subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be able to be reminded, or you'll be able to get the notification when I do post a video. If you want to keep up with me, follow me on my Instagram. It will be in the description down below as well. Follow my business page for updates and when I launch. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.